Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Hialeah, Florida. Alright, look at that weather. My God, beautiful. Remember guys, I'm doing this video for my eBay store. I'm not trying to teach you anything, I'm trying to fix anything. This is for my customers that want more picture. It's not enough, and they want sound. I'm also gonna do the video in Spanish and then voy a hacer el video en español al final, mi gente, por favor, esperen. Alright guys, in case you're new in my store, I take everything apart, the muffler, blah blah blah. In this case, I don't think this one had the muffler, I don't remember now. I don't think I had the muffler, right? Well. Alright guys, also gonna do the video in Spanish and then voy a hacer el video en español al final, mi gente, por favor, esperen. Okay, I got like two of these babies. Okay, you can see in here, I don't know much about them. I've been selling a lot, but I don't know much. I still don't know much. I know they're old, they make for last forever if you take care of them. And this one you're gonna like it. I went inside it. Look at that carburetor. My God, I even get scared looking at it. Like it's forever. You know, when you see things like that make forever, I love it. Okay, my God, this thing is heavy for one arm. This baby, I was gonna put it in, but I think it's missing something, or he's not doing his job, like to grab on the side. It's missing something here. I'm sorry about my ignorance. I open it, like I don't think he's doing his job. Like he opens, but like it's missing something. I think the spark plug was broke. I got one there from all the machines. I'm gonna give it a shot. I took this apart. Remember, I take everything. I don't remember it's nothing else. If I find something else, I throw it. You know me. Alright, moment of truth. We're gonna go and look at this. When I went inside, and I took a pic of this baby, I said, wow, look at that. Those pistons, my God, man. Let me blow that a little bit there. Look at that baby, huh? Looks like old gas there. Let me see. Yeah, it looks like old gas. Look at that, huh? Let me get my glasses on that. I've seen them. Let me see if I can see the inside here. You can see the top of the piston there is dirty. You can be maybe residue or gas. Let me see if I can take a peek inside. Look at that, huh? Perfect. Yeah, I don't see anything out of normal. That wash is dirty with a. That's nice. I like it. Looks good. You saw that incredible piston back in the day. All right, guys. I'm gonna give it a shot like always. You know me. I'm not gonna put no gas or anything. We're just gonna go on the motor. We're gonna see if the coil works, and that's it. We're gonna see where we are. Remember, follow my store. I have a lot of stuff for sale. All types of iron, please. First, I'm gonna do it without like that. Yeah, the spark plug is making a sound. It doesn't let me like to get full speed. Maybe it's me. Let me try again. Making a sound there. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that. Yeah, I don't think I have that much power. Let me put it to charge. But at least you see he's doing the thing. Woo, I like that. Oh, I didn't give it a shot to a spark plug to see if it's working. Let's give it a shot. Yeah, you can tell a baby wants to keep going. My God. I'm gonna use this one that I have here. I don't know if it's working. It's one of the old ones. But I know it's almost the same one of these. I like to keep things for a long time, you know. You never know when you're gonna need them. especially these days that we're going backwards instead of forward. I like to save a lot of stuff. Alright, it's off here. I put it on. Let's see what's up. Oh yeah, it's working. It took a while to work, but I saw a splat. That means inside the coil should be dirty, but it worked. Coil is working. You see how he started doing it now? Let's do it again. I thought it was a body, but now it was the inside. Maybe because there is not that much friction inside, I'm gonna throw a little W240. Like that, when the piston goes up and down, it's gonna do it better. And like that, you can hear what I'm trying to, the sound of the motor or full display. Let me see if I can do it like this. Oh, right there. What the hell? I know what I was doing wrong. I wasn't having a straight line. That's why I was making that. But every day we learn something. All right, guys. So far we know the flywheel works, coil works. I don't think something is wrong, or maybe it's me. It's missing. I'm sorry. I repeat my ignorance. Out of that, it looks good. Oh, we have here right, we got a graffiti going on here. Let me see the inside. I haven't checked it. We get it to the light. Oh, you can see that tank inside is a little rusty there. That means they left them without. Yeah, but the gas to dry instead of do the right way. You know, you gotta do a clean up inside there. Guys, I sell for parts. This is a broken machine. This is a damaged equipment. If you're trying to fix this machine, you're making a big mistake. Why? Because I sell for parts. Maybe you need this part, that part. You need this, you need that, or maybe you want to hang it because it brings you memory when you were little. All right, follow my store. I got one more of this, that big like that, and I don't think I have much. Oh yeah, I put another one of the old ones. Just follow my store, please. Thank you. Hola mi gente, ¿qué me dice la raza? Que se una la raza. Bueno, ya saben, vieron la niña, era que estaba poniendo el ángulo más. Ve cuando se mandó, qué clase de velocidad cogió. Es algo que estoy haciendo nuevo. Yo sé que usted quiere que lo arranque, que trato a veces de arrancarla en este caso. No sé, yo no soy muy bueno en estas máquinas. Veo que no está abriendo, ven, ve. Ya está supuesta a abrir, creo que pegarse en el de eso, puede ser que sea yo. Pero bueno, lo quise dejar así y lo hicimos manual. La bobina funciona, quiere decir que la mariposa funciona donde tenemos problemas en la ladera. Mi gente, ya saben, cualquier cosita aquí estamos, una pregunta o algo, sin pena, tírenle. Ya saben, sigan mi tienda, ahí estoy poniendo de todo, gracias, que se una la raza.